to Foods and Life. So this is the Sheikh Zayed Road and I will show you some amazing building and the Dubai city. This road also known as E11 road and I am starting this video from the Mall of the Emirates. So you can see this brown building, that's the Mall of the Emirates. Isn't it beautiful? And this is the metro station, this one, the Mall of the Emirates metro station. So let's go. Please watch till the end. I will show you the most iconic world's tallest building and also the world's largest cantilever building. So see now, the car showrooms have started along this road. You will find many car showrooms over here. That's Chevrolet, Casanova, Hyundai, Kia Motors. So as I said, E11, the Sheikh Zayed Road, this is the longest highway of the Emirate. It has started from the Emirate of Abu Dhabi to the Ras Al Khaimah Emirate. This road also have some alternative names which I will tell you later in this video. See, that's Mercedes showroom. Here the Times Square Center, it's a mall. Then the Ford showroom. See, the metro is going. Here the Volkswagen showroom. That's Porsche. And this is the Al Safa metro station. The Yamaha showroom and many more. So guys, can you see something? The iconic building? Yes, I will show you much closer. So wait and watch the whole video. So here are some more car showrooms on my right. That's the BMW showroom. The Toyota showroom. Now see the Damac building. So guys, here comes the actual beauty of the Dubai city. Now you can see all the tall buildings. Oh, look at the constructions. These buildings, oh my god. Dubai has total 73 completed skyscrapers. Now see, that's the MR building. Ooh, glowing. This is so beautiful. Whoa. Now see this, the gorgeous Emma building, and in between see the Burj Khalifa. So how much do you like this? Do let me know in the comment section below. Wait, there are some more to watch. I will show you the world's largest cantilever building. And see these tall buildings. Aren't they worth watching? See the metro going. And here see, it is called the Museum of the Future. This building is covered with windows that form a poem by Dubai ruler Sheikh Mohammed about his vision for the city's future. It is written in Arabic calligraphy. And now the Dubai World Trade Center is coming. It is historically also called Sheikh Rashid Tower. It is 38th story and a height 184 meter skyscraper in Dubai. This is made for events and exhibitions. That's the World Trade Center. Can you see that building? Sheraton Grand Hotel. The building that you can see in the front, that's the Etisalat Tower. So now let me show you one amazing construction. Now see this amazing building. It is named One Zabil and it has two long towers which is 984 feet and 770 feet and is linked with a horizontal building which will be called the world's largest cantilever building, and it will offer the super luxury hospitality. So as I said earlier, this E11 road has different alternative names, that is Sheikh Maktoum bin Rashid Road and Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Road in Abu Dhabi, then Sheikh Mohammed bin Salim Road in Ras Al Khaimah and Sheikh Zayed Road in Dubai. So lastly, thank you so much for watching this video. I have made this video with lots of love. Do let me know how much do you like this video. If you want to see such more videos, comment me down. I will try to make more and more videos like this. So bye bye, take care, take good care of yourselves. Thank you.